Here's my latest Yamaha XT250 mod. And you can't really call it a mod. It's not a performance mod or anything else like that. But it's this milk crate on the back. Check that out. It measures 13 by 14 on the top. It measures 10 inches tall. I got it bungee corded on there. It's pretty sturdy, right? It's not gonna go anywhere. When I ride, it even gives me a little bit of a backrest there. I got this Yamaha blue net on top that can expand whenever I carry stuff. You know, I felt like a 16-year-old putting this on there because this is what a 16-year-old would do. I went to Amazon and I saw that one of these milk crates can cost you 25 bucks. And then they have some others that are 19 inches wide. And really that just gives you a few inches on either side. And if I really needed to, I could put an aluminum plate underneath here and get me another net to go on the side, go on the back, go on the side, whatever I wanted to do. Another net to go on the side, to go on the back, or this other side over here, whatever I wanted to do. So I think this is pretty cool. And it's gonna cost me a lot less money than to have a set of saddlebags and saddlebag supports and all that kind of crap on it. And what I plan to do, what my original thought was for this, is to stick a tackle box in there and a miniature foldable pull-out fishing rod that I can put inside here, and maybe even a little cooler and go fishing. That's what I plan to do. That's cool. I like it. I'm enjoying it. So before I left home, I knew the wife wanted some sweet potatoes, and I wanted these coffee flavors, French vanilla, caramel, and toffee nut. Toffee nut I've never had before, so that's new. And then she texted me, said she wanted some sweet onions and these glycerin suppositories. So I went ahead and got myself one of these, and I got two of them for her. So here we go. Got a few groceries. We're gonna put it in our fancy milk crate. Now I'm going to show you a couple things that I bought. This is my next beautification mod. I'm going to put these two little license plate on my bike. Born to ride, right? I'm going to attach that there. And boys rule. Because I'm a kid at heart, man. That's all I am, is I'm a little kid. That's going on the bike next with some zip ties. And that'll be cool. So let's test this out for the first time. Here we go. We are gonna attach that bungee strap, right? It's on there, nice, right? That's pretty cool. My XT250 is turning out to be the apocalypse bike that I always dreamed of having. This is cool. I got my little milk crate on the back of there like a kid would. And it's working out for me. I love it. Yep, because I got that on there, I got to stand on the foot peg down there, right? And lift my right leg up around over the milk crate. Because there's no way that I can fit my leg over there. I look like a fool trying to do that. So, stand on the bike, right? Lift my leg up and over and around. Very simple and easy. Anybody else watching me do that might say, what the crap is he doing? Parking lot speed. Always got to remember parking lot speed. We don't have to come through here 20 or 25, 30 miles an hour like some folks do. When I manipulate this bike in my garage, I always manage to bump that left-hand mirror. I want to take a ride through this
parking lot right here, because there are two Honda Furies that sit here. There's one right there. Hope you can see that. And they never move. They're always in the same spot. There's another one over here on this side. Where is it at? There it is. So two Honda Furies that never seem to move. Make my presence known by wiggling a few times with these cars making a left-hand turn in front of me. Okay, I got the green arrow on the light. That's cool. I like this XT250 how turn signals up front are also marker lights. I think that's the way every bike should be. Somebody crossing the road on foot. Yeah, I think that's the way all bikes should be. The turn signals should also be marker lights, because the more lighting, the better. Man, they're still delivering mail at this late at night. It's almost 7 p.m. and the USPS is delivering the mail. They're trying to be like FedEx and UPS, but FedEx and UPS will always be more efficient than the United States Postal Service. Black Hawk helicopter flying in the air. A couple of them. Well, that's where we're at. We're at Fort Hood, Texas. Pretty cool. The sound of freedom.